This meeting is being recorded.
Students, those who says good morning, I am also saying good morning. Online students, am I audible, students? Okay, so now we'll start with continuation class. Previous example. What is the use of programmer defined character classes? Last class, already we completed. Programmer defined character classes, regular expressions. What is the programmer defined character classes purpose? Don't know. Used in development of search patterns by defining by yourself programmer defined character classes defined by you people for building the search pattern, and they are used in searching or finding the matching in the given data obtains the desired result. And you people are applying programmer defined character classes, and you will be having something like this. Understand? Fine. This many. And next is called what you know predefined functions. Already I said one function is pending, that is a sub, and predefined character classes also. This is a one we are getting it, and predefined character class names, and we already done. And the quantifiers also we completed, and the quantifiers with plus, star, question mark, and dot, and various miscellaneous formulas we discussed it. Now it is the time to see to move to the further. So I hope last class we started with one program also. Where is that program? So here, saved no, not saved. Okay. Question dictated, na? Right. So did not save that program. Maybe in Edit Plus it was done it. So I'll go to the program now. So not an issue. Let us move to the further. So here, so going to this place. Here, program for validation of the program for validation of, here I'm going to take up program for validation of mobile number. Mobile number. So I'm going to take up now. Look at this now. Accept it. So here I'm writing mobile number validation example1.py. So import RE. Tell me students, MNO is equal to, come on, input of, enter, your mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Well, that I'm taking in the form of what? STR. STR. Why I took it in the form of STR? First I will take it in the, because all the regular expressions deals with what? STR data. So I'm going to take it. If len of MNO, len of MNO double equal to some 10 digits. If it is a 10 digits, I'll say what for a minute, valid I will say, and I'll write a lots of code over there. So it's else, if it is not equal to 10, not equal to 10, it will come to which part? Else part. Maybe mobile number contains 8 digits, or maybe contains more than 10 digits. It will come. Here I'll write it. \t is invalid mobile number length, is invalid mobile number length, not the format of MNO, right? So try to run it. I will write lots of code here, students. So regular expression not started, not yet started. We will start with. So here I'm going to write it. Save this program. Mobile number validation example1.py. Students, coming to this command prompt, CMD, I would like to take up. Run as administrator. Here I'm going to take up. So here I would like to take it. Python, I'm going to take it. 9 a.m. regular expressions. Py. So there I'm going to ask you, enter the mobile number. So 999 One more 8 I wrote it. What is happening? Invalid mobile number is coming. Invalid mobile number length. So I need to make it to try again. I need to make it to try again. To make it to try again means what? I will write it here. Try again. Try again. So to make it to try again, I'll make it to go to the mobile number beginning or not. What I will write it? While true, I will write it. While true, I will write students. Simple here. Let us execute that. Now enter the mobile number. It is going to say invalid mobile number length. Enter the mobile number here again. Say once again you enter some 2 digits, you remove it. It is invalid mobile number length. Now you enter this value called 8, for example. It is called what? Valid. Once if I say valid, it should not ask again. It should come out of that. What should I do? I need to say break. So I need to say break. So here for a minute you think about it, break. Students, you seek students. Now you do it. I have something like this, 10 digits exactly. In that mobile number, who knows? I am having some alphabet A is there. Some number called alphabet A is there. It is giving the answer called what? Valid. But it is invalid now. So how can I verify this in a simple manner? I can write a normal Python code also. We have the capacity to write the normal Python code. Do you know how to write it? Each digit I will take it and I will check it out. Each digit, then it is valid. Otherwise, I can say what? Anyone is not digit, I can say it is invalid, I can say. But I don't want to write such a legacy code. And it's such a big code I don't want to write. What I will do now? In that 10 digits, when it is 10, okay. In this case, it is 10 only. 10 in length. But one of the value inside of it is alphanumeric, or it can be some special symbol also. So I want to search for the mobile number. That mobile number search to be always purely digits. How do you write it now? Come on, Mo. How do you write it? MNO dot MNO. I need to take it. That MNO should be what actually? Purely digits. How many digits? 10 digits. How do you prepare the regular expression for 10 digits? Double quote slash D of what? 10. 10, right or not? Of 10, right? Comma MNO, you will write it. Comma MNO, you will write it. Slash D of 10, and I will write MNO there. What I will apply there? This entire MNO, we are searching for one time only, right? I will use which function? RE dot search. Search I will apply. Already search I said, find all I said, find ITR I said. Because I have only one number, but one number I want to search once. What it returns? Result is going to come. What the result can be? What the type of RES of search function? What is the type of RES of search function? It can be either match object or none. So if I write it, if RES is equal to what? RES is equal to what? None. Or not equal to none. Whatever you like it. Not equal to none. I'll say what? I'll write it. Backslash T is a hmm, is a valid mobile number. Is a valid mobile number. Is a valid mobile number, students. Dot format of MNO. Dot format of MNO. I will say what? Break. I'll say break. If it is else, what is that now? Print of what? When it is else means what? If it is none, that means if this mobile number contains any one of the alphabet or other than digit maybe. So I will write it, students. Is what? Is invalid mobile number. Is invalid mobile number. And it must be, and it must have, and it must contain. Hmm, it must contain integer values. Integer values only. Integer values. Try again. Again. So dot format of what I say. Dot format of what I say. MNO. MNO I will say. Try to run. And students, for this if for this if statement, this else, and for this if statement, this else. I think you are following me. So try to take care. Try to run this example. Now I'm going to enter into this. Try to follow. Start with enter the mobile number. So it is going to give you syntax warning. This is /d. So cancel this and go to the place. What I will write, I forget. Or good. Or so try to run this now, students. Enter the mobile number. I'll say like this. It is having more than 10. It is having invalid mobile number length. That means this spot is coming. This spot is coming. You say the number called what? Like this. It is also invalid mobile number length only. It is going to give you what? Like this you say. Like this. 10 in length. But it is called what? It is invalid mobile number. It must contain integers values. Try again. And I am going to enter something like dollar I am applying. Dollar. Also same thing. I will apply the value called 8. Now it is going to give you what? Valid mobile number. Are you following me? Right. So now I am entering my mobile number. You take my mobile number. All the students in the online, you take my mobile number. Keep it with you. Any doubts you have, you can feel free to communicate with me, and you can send your doubt. And don't tell, sir, explain OOPS features completely in detail. You don't ask me, because in WhatsApp I may not be explaining it. This kind of number, you take it. Come on, take online students. I'm giving my mobile number and try to take this mobile number. To all of you, I'm sending in chat window also. This is something like a guarantee card I'm giving to you. This mobile number is there with you means you are not one. With you, what who is there? KVR is also there with you. So along wherever you take your mobile, I am also following you. Okay now. So this is my WhatsApp number. So you are not one. I am also there with you. So this is a bonding between you and me. Huh? Who is that? Karthik. Line is there. Okay, I'm not a line. I'm like you only. I'm like you only. That's why I'm giving my number to you, because we are all same, but I'm elder than you. That's why I'm teaching the subject. You utilize my services. Contact me if any doubts are there, and feel free to communicate. Don't hesitate. Sir, may I ask question? I am not coming. Don't do that. Why? Why to do that? Right? Do good things by yourself. Okay. Now I'm going to enter into one more kind of thing I want to take it. What the next I want to take it? I want to start with this is already anyhow you are understanding. So now I want to go for taking one more example. I want to take it. What is that another example I want to take it? Suppose for example, I want to take it something like this. Some number I want to start with. Some number I want to start with. So go for regular expression. Mobile number to validation. I want to go for it. Look at students. What is this is comes under? Start with mobile number must starts with what code? Country code. What is this now? /d /d of like that. What it is going to be? Mobile number plus extra what it must starts with +91. Only +91 don't write ma. If we write that double slashes, that will be considered as what? +91. And don't write even single slash also. Double slash you need to write, +91 you need to write it. Are you able to follow? Valid mobile number in this case, and 91 is a fixed data. If it is that is not a mobile number, try again. Is invalid mobile number length, and try again. So I'm going to keep it in our folder. I'm going to keep it in our folder because these are all very important students. Coming to this place, regular expressions. So here I am going to keep it and try to run this py. I'm getting this data here. So here I'm writing enter your mobile number plus 91, say something like 98494555293. It is going to be a valid mobile number. You say something like 94. It is called what? Is not mobile number. Is not a mobile number. Something invalid mobile number or something. I am writing something like a 111. I am writing it. 111. I am writing it. Is invalid mobile number length. It is giving something like this. We are supposed to take up. So here I am writing plus 91. You say some data here 999 and then 88888. I'm saying like that. It is called valid mobile number. Are you able to follow now? One more thing, if you want to take it, my mobile number should starts with 9 or 8 or 988899. Any combination of 98899988 like that. What you will do? Pandi. So my mobile number first two digits are total 10 digits kada. 8 digits can be anything. For example, it should start with what? 98998889 like that. Any number I want to go for starting. What you will do? If you want to start with either 9999 like that, you will keep it into where 98 like this. When you write in the bracket like that, what is the meaning? Either it can start with 9 or it can start with 8. Understand or not? So this is the meaning of 98. If I write only 98 without and slash D of what I will write it? Of what? Already how many are there? Two digits over. Remaining how many? So you have to start compulsory your number with what? 98 only. But when I keep it inside of it, what is happening? Either 9 or 8. So 99, 98, 88, 89. Any of the combination. When I write only like that, what will happen? It has to start compulsory with what? 98. I think you are following me. So I will take it here called something like this. I am opening it. So see students, must starts with something like this. Enter your mobile number with country code 91. Compulsory it should be what? 98. What is that now? Next 8. 8 is here. Are you able to follow now? Right. So coming to this place now, 98 here, /8 here, and MNO here, like this. RES not equal to none, and this is valid mobile number, and this is not an invalid mobile number, something like this. So I think you are following it. So coming to this place now, go to this location, go to this location. Who is this now? Regular expressions here. Try to save it here. 3. Sivaraj, Pragnadeep Mohanty, send your number now in MySQL WhatsApp group. Send your number now in MySQL WhatsApp group, sir. Don't add my number to any groups. Sivaraj. And dear students of my Python students, don't maintain any groups by yourself. If you want to maintain, you maintain outside, but not as a part of the class. Sivaraj. Because WhatsApp groups and all, it is your private things. And all the girls don't join in any of the WhatsApp groups. It's my kind advice to all of you. So, so don't try to join any of the WhatsApp groups, especially girls and boys also. Don't try to join in any WhatsApp group. You don't need any group, right or not? So be alone and try to be good by yourself. Okay, now improve your subject. Do you need any group? Huh? Do you need a group? No, no need. So Sivaraj, don't try to create your groups, my dear students. Come to this place because we created once the group and it has become a very big issue, students. Very big issue. Almost it takes 6 months to clear their problems. They went to even legal state also. Legal activities also they took it. That much problem. Boy and girl. Very big problem. So why that problem is? So my dear students, I don't want to explain that because it's a big story. It takes 3 days, minimum 4 days also require because I am the judge over there. If I say this side one sentence extra, those people will feel. If I say that sentence, one sentence, they will feel. Finally, myself quit from that issue because I'm the teacher for both the students. It is not intentional, unintentional, they become group. I don't know how it is. So, why to have all those things? So, Shivraj, MySQL WhatsApp group is there. In that group, Ragnadeep shared your number. That is what I am telling to you. So, don't add my number, my dear students, to anywhere. So, if anything happens, so we are not responsible. So, who created your MySQL group, students? Your faculty, yeah? Shivraj, your faculty created MySQL group, huh? Hmm? Shivraj, someone, sir. Okay. Who is that? May I know? Hmm? So, don't add my number. It is my kind advice. Be with you, take with you. So when I give my number to you, you should have privacy for it. Of course, nothing will happen. Just I'm saying to you, don't add my number to any of the groups. Okay now? Fine. So let us go to this place and try to run this. So try to enter with the country code and all those things. So like this, I'm entering here. So here it is going to be valid mobile number. You try to run it. I'm saying something like 99. 99 I am entering. So actually you said 98. It is going to be what? Invalid mobile number because it starts with 99. If you start with 89, 89, it is also going to give you what? Invalid mobile number. So you have to start compulsory with the mentioning things what you have done it. And the same thing, you can also go for what? Either 98 in the bracket also you can keep it. In the square bracket you can keep it. The square bracket keeping is nothing but what? Either it can start with a 9 or it can start with what? 8. So that is the next one I am trying to tell you here. Next one I am trying to show you. See that students, enter your mobile number. I put it in the bracket of like this. What is the meaning of that bracket, ma? What is the meaning of that bracket? Either it can start with a 9 or it can start with what? 8. So let me go for keeping in our fold. So coming to this place, 9 a.m. Coming to this regular expressions. So here I'm going to take it. So in this place, I'm trying to save it, try to execute. Now I'm going to run this code. Py, see students, enter the data. This is the one I'm saying. Say something like 77 you say. 77 you say. What is happening? It's not a mobile number. So I want to start with what? 8998. So here I said is a valid number. So you say here 9797. It is called what? Valid mobile number because it is starting with what? Either 9 or 8. Either 9 or 8. So go to the next one. You start with 8. You start with 8. No problem. So it is also valid mobile number. So you before going to write it, you think about our programmer defined, predefined quantifiers. You think about it. You can do good things. Is it understandable? Right. Next, one more. Online students, write down. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract, which will extract, which will extract names, which will extract names, which will extract names from given text data, from given text data, which will extract names from given text data, which will extract names from given text data. Right. So let us move to the further. So how to extract the text data? So I'm going to enter into this now. So Python program for extracting the names from given text data. So coming to this place, here I'm going to enter into that. So names extract example1.py, example1.py. So there I'm going to write it. Import re, so one. So I need to take it. So what is that now? Names. So given data is equal to, now I'm going to write it. There I'm going to write it something like row sum, row sum got, row sum got 88 marks, 88 marks, comma, Gosling, Gosling got, got 66 marks, 66 marks. Richie got, Richie got 65 marks, 65 marks. And next Travis got 99 marks, 99 marks. And and something like John Hunter got so 56 marks, 56 marks. From here, I want to get the name of the people. PVM don't know this is a name of the people or somebody, but our data, you need to observe it. They said that they given the data in such a way that in these are all called what? Words, except these digits. Rest of them are called what? Words. Tell me, how do you get the words? Search pattern, you tell me. Search pattern for getting the words. Search pattern for getting the words. Search pattern for getting the words. Come on, search pattern I'm going to ask you. Tell me how to write it. Madhubavulu. ఎందుకా మీరు A to Z, small a to Z, A to Z, and then small a to Z. ఎందుకు మీరు అసలు A to Z, small a to Z. Double E is for what? Word character. What is the word character? Numerics also will present. I'm not asking word character. I'm asking names. How many? Because of that, what will happen? Each letter is going to search. Each letter is going to search. జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి మీరు. You need to be good. So matched result is equal to MATRES is equal to what I'm going to do? Match result is equal to RE dot find ITER of what I'm writing, SP comma GD, given data. If I'm writing here, for MAT in where MATRES, only value I want to print, MAT dot group I am printing, only value I am printing. Because of that, what is happening? Each and every letter will come. R, O, S, S, like that. One by one, that values will come. One by one, that values will come. Go to the location of yours and then save it. Here I am writing it. Execute this logic. PY, it is going to give you what? All the values are coming. Row sum, got, marks. What is not getting? Number is not coming. But I don't want this. I don't want letter. I don't want a letter to search it. I want to search for what? One or more. I want one or more plus. What is one or more? Letters. Apply. Row sum. Yes, one or more. Yes, one value is coming. Next space. I don't want space. Next God. Separate word. 88. I don't want. Marks. Yes, I want. Comma. No. What is that? Ghostling. Got. All the words are coming. So powerful concept, students. See that all of them are coming. What is this now? One or more. The symbol called plus is so important. When somebody asks about plus, in interview point of view, it's not only used for addition of two numbers, it is also used for what? Concatenation of two strings used in where? Regular expressions. Are you able to follow? Now, coming to this place, now we are getting. You can use find all also, no problem. You can use find all also, no problem. So, find all, you can use it. You can use find all also. Find all. You can use find all. So, I will print it what simply MATRES you can print. MATRES you can print. Same answer, which is coming in the form of what? List. List. So, but these things I want to get it what? Only names. But observe చేయండి ఇంకా names. ఈ name లో ఈ name because all the words except the digits rest of them are called words I got it. But all words I don't want. Which words I want? I want those words whose first letter is capital. అంతే కదా Rosam or capital. Gosling, they gave the data, names of the people, first letter capital, they gave it. How do you write that? So I will write first letter. How do you take the first letter capital ఉన్నవి ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు? A to Z. A to Z. Okay. Next after that, because of that it is taken what? Any uppercase letter. How many? One. After that ఏముంది? OSSUM. Because of that, this is highlighted. This is selected. After that, what is available? One or more small uppercase, small letters, small alphabets. After that, one more bracket I will open. A to Z plus. What A to Z plus here? Small A to Z plus means what? OSSUM. What is capital A to Z? Capital R. OSSUM is called what? This data. Thought will not come. Why? It is not satisfying the first one. Na? Rest of them will not satisfy. Gosling, yes. First one is called what? Capital letter. Next OSLING is called like this. Got it like this. Richie is coming and no other kind of words are coming. Only names are coming. I think you are following me. Well, students. Now I'm going to write it, execute it. All the names are coming. Rosam, Gosling, etc. So just a simple modification, you are going to become very powerful. Getting or not? Now, simple. And already you know names of the people I am writing. Names of people of 50. Now I am writing print of what? Names of students. Names of students. I'm going to write it. So there I will print the names of the students. How do you print the names of the students? For name in, for names in where? MATRES, match results. There I will print what? Names. So names I will print it. Names I'm going to print it. So here I'm going to write names. Execute it. See students, all the names of the students is coming. So here match results is nothing but what? Something like names. If you want, you can write simply name. If you want, you can write simply names here. And for your easy understanding point. Are you following me? Simple students. And I'll write it. And here we are got 11 marks. I'm just writing like this. And this name also is going to come. Are you following me? Right. This is a very important students. Simple. These are all very important. What students has faced written test and all. It's simple like I can write Python code also. I can write Python code also. But Python code writing is okay. We appreciate your intelligence. But already these are predefined facilities available now. We have to use that. So that will give you good time complexity will be less and performance wise it is going to be more powerful. Okay now? Right down. Next program. Online students, did you understand? Did you understand this formula here? Yes, ma'am. Right. Good. Let us go to the next step. So coming to the point of it, write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract the marks. Which will extract the marks which will extract the marks, from given text data, which will extract the marks from the given text data, So what I will do it. So this is extracting the marks. I'm going to explain you how to extract the marks. See students, I'm going to take a Python program here. Here I'm writing Python here. See student, extracting the marks from given text data. So marks extract one dot. So try to remove this and try to. This is my given data. Now let us prepare the search pattern here. Prepare. Here I'm going to write within the double quotes. I want to prepare. How do you prepare it? So I will write it. Come on. So 0 to 9 of 2. 2 I will write it. 0 to 9 of what? 2. 0 to 9 of 2. 0 to 9 of 2 I can write it. 0 to 9 of 2 I can write it. Are you following me? Right. This is one thing. You can also write this as what? Come on. Slash D of what? 2. Slash D of 2. Or I wrote it. You know, or already. Now try to search. Come on. Marks list. Marks list is equal to, come on. RE dot find all. Find all of what? SP comma what? GD. SP comma GD. Now I want to print the marks list values. Print of what here, marks list. Try to see this now. Execute this. Marks extract example 1.py. So try to save it. Come out of that. Execute py marks list. I got perfect output. మనకి ఏం కావాలని వచ్చేస్తుంది. Yes, you are applying such a search pattern. What is the search pattern? What is search pattern? మీరు ఎందుకు అసలు నాకు చాలా కోపం వస్తుంది అసలు మీరు ఇట్లా చేస్తే గిన. So you are going to get it. I already said introduction to regular expressions. I already said to you students, search pattern is a combination of alphabets, digits, and special symbols which is used to search or match or find in the given data obtains the desired result. Explained or not explained? Explained. But why you are not remembering? Why you are not remembering, students? ఎందుకని మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోరు? Why you are not remembering? Regular expression is one of the search pattern. So, which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and special symbols, and it is used in searching or matching or finding in given data, obtains the desired result. Are you following me? Very, very simple. Already it is given such a beautiful points here. So students, for everything certain points are required, certain limitation is required. Try to do that. Print off. I want to print this data here. I want to print the marks, names of marks of students. I want to print it. So I will write it. Print of what? Marks of students. Marks of students. I'll write it. So there I will write it. For marks in marks list. Marks in marks list. I will print of what? Marks. Print of marks. You execute it. So you are going to get it. All marks are going to come. So these are all marks are going to come. So here it is going to be like this. So how well we are writing like this? Done. Now these marks are coming. Here names are coming. Plus names plus marks I want in a single place. Names plus marks I want to get it in single place. So how do you get names and marks? I will write because you are written separately. So I'll try to copy this. Names plus marks, I'll write it. So two separate regular expressions, I'll write it. Names and marks. Program for names and what? Marks. names and marks from given text. So here I will write it names marks extract 1.py. So there I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it got like this. Here we are getting like this. It is going to contain this point here. I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. This is the data we are having. This is the one we are going to have it. Plus what I want? Marks I want. How do you take the marks here? I can write directly here. This is the data now. SP. Directly I will write it here. So how do you write it? Directly you can write there also, students. How do you write it? Come on. Of what? A to Z, A to Z, small a to Z. What is this now? Plus. I am writing plus. I wrote plus. Comma, I wrote it. Next is called what? Marks list is equal to marks list. Of course, is equal to RE dot find all of what is this now? Slash D or comma. I will write it slash D of 2 I will write it comma. What I will write it? GD I will write it. GD I am writing it. Are you following me now? So go to this place, names of the students plus marks of the students. Names are coming plus marks are coming. So names plus marks are coming like this. So marks I am going to print it. Something like this if I try to write it. So try to execute names plus marks extract of example 1.py. So try to run this, execute here. I'm going to apply. So names plus marks extract dot py. So I will go for it. Names marks extract example 1.py. Names I'm getting plus what I'm getting marks. So if I want one after the other, I do like this, students. Names of the students backslash t. What I'll write it. Marks of the students I will write it. Marks of the students I will write it. So here I'm going to write it. Names comma in what is that? Zip of names comma what? Marks list I will write it. Marks list I'm writing it. Marks list I'm writing it. So I'm writing backslash t, students. I'll write it. Backslash t I'm writing dot format of name comma. What is the next? Marks I'm writing. Of course, name I have to write. What I should write? Marks. Name comma marks I'm writing. Name comma marks I'm writing. Close. So this part not necessary, students. Wrote it. Names I'm getting. Marks I'm getting it. Are you following me now? Execute. See, students. PY. This is a names plus marks. Of course, I need to go for keeping some little more gap I need to give. Here I'll write two more backslash t's I will write it. So you are getting names of the students as well as what? Marks of the students. Are you able to follow now? Right. So I hope strictly this marks plus marks you are getting it. So this data is present. Suppose, of course, this text data is containing only few lines. Suppose I have one MS Word is there, MS Word. I am having MS Word student with an extension called a .doc or with an extension called a .docx or with an extension called a PDF or with an extension called a RTF, rich text format. Any kind of file which you are having that type of extension, any type of the .txt, any type of file you are having with these extensions, that data also you can apply to the regular expressions. Are you following me? So you can apply on any files this CSV, this regular expression. That's why regular expression is a programming language independent concept. You can apply on any data to search for your required information. So I would like to go for how can we retrieve the data which is present in where? File. So maybe MS Word, maybe any file you are having, that file I want to get it. Okay, now write up, open the notes, write a Python program, write a Python program which will extract which will extract names and marks of the students, 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 where where student data present in, where student data present in, where student data present in file, where student data present in file, where student data present in file. Pragnadeep Mohanty is asking one question. You try to answer by yourself. Answer by yourself. This was already explained in the class. A to Z, small a to Z, or small a to Z interchangeably as both of same. Come on, same. I already said in the day one only I said. In the programmer defined classes only I said. In the bracket when you are writing A to Z, it is very clearly I said A to Z. I already said in the class A to Z are same I said. Both of them are same. But when you are writing A to Z separately and then A to Z separately plus is not similar to what? A to Z and then what? A to Z plus is completely different. These two are not same. What is this now? One small alphabet and more number of what? Upper alphabet. This is completely different. This is similar. I said already in the that time only I said. Okay. Okay, Pragnadeep Mohanty. So now I will go to this place. So let us move to the further. I will move to the further. Here I am going to say enter into the further point. This data, where is this data present in file? I'm going to take it file. So I'm going to take a file. How do you create a file? New, normal text, any notepad, anything is okay. So add some more data to it. This is my file data. Like that, there is a lot of data is present. Total data is present. Now I will save this file. Files resides in where? Hello. Secondary memory. What is secondary memory? It stores data permanently in the form of file name. File names resides in secondary memory. File name is one of the named location in secondary memory. Already files I said to you. So let us go for keeping the data. Save. Now I'm going to keep it. 9 a.m. regular expressions. I'm going to save it. What is this now? Students, students, marks, student marks. It is going to be called what here? Student marks dot txt will be taken. If you want to take dot data by yourself, already this is addressed to you. You have to write within the double quotes. You have to write within the double quote students so that it will eliminate the default extension. If you don't want to give these double quotes, you can choose all files. This I already said to you. This I already said to you. So here all files is available. Here all files. There you can say simply students marks dot data and happily go for it. If we come to this place, dot data will be taken into the data file. Now from that file, I want to retrieve the data, which is very simple. Let us move to the further. Go to the place now. So tell me how to do this operation now. Sorry. So here how to do this operation quickly. Go to this place. I'm going to write it. Program for extracting the names of the students who are going to have in where? File. So having in file text data which is present in where? File. So here 2.py. Tell me what should I do? Import re. What should I do? ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? ఓపెన్ ద ఫైల్. Open the file in, come on, files over now. So my data is present in where? My data present in where? File. How do you read this entire data from the file? I must choose the file name and open into read mode or not? How do you open it? Right. Good. Uma. Good. With open your file name. With your file name. I need to say R mode as what? FP. What is that FP is called? File pointer కాదు, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ విచ్ టైప్. ఎందుకని మీరు వేస్ట్ అసలు రాంబాబు, మీరంతా రాంబాబులంతా. సో ఎఫ్పి ఈజ్ అన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ విచ్ టైప్? టెక్స్ట్ ఐఓ ర్యాపర్. టెక్స్ట్ ఐఓ ర్యాపర్ ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను మీకు, మస్తు చెప్పాను మీకు, చాలా చాలా చెప్పాను, గుర్తుండాలి కదా. బికాజ్ యూఆర్ ఆల్ గజనీ నంబర్ వన్స్, సో యూ డిడ్ నాట్ రిమెంబర్. సో ఐ నీడ్ టు రైట్ the complete absolute path. I need to write it. Absolute path. Only Uma is answering everything, and others are simply keeping quiet and calm. And you people will celebrate every new year, and the rest of the year you will be keeping as a old year only. In my colony, preparing from yesterday morning onwards, what they achieved, I don't know. While morning, while I am coming, వాడు అసలు నిద్రపోలేదు నైట్. Yesterday night he did not sleep. He is just a small, not even BTech student. Then one morning while I am coming, he was standing before my house. He is standing there. I called him. He is not coming actually. Come here, I said. He came. I asked him, what are you studying? Saying IIT. He is studying IIT. IIT in అనుకున్నాను. IIT is saying. IIT studying. IIT. IIT na ITI na ITI is saying. He's studying ITI. He's saying you don't know what to tell. IIT means what? He will not be on morning. He is not going to be like this. He's simply sitting on the tables. And that is a new culture. This year only they are celebrating. I don't know why they will celebrate. But collecting money from every member of the colony. So don't know what to study and celebrating New Year's. What they are studying also they don't know how to tell. IIT and so at least minimum 1 crore package must be coming or not. If you'll see is cutting, not totally umbrella cutting. Nothing is there. Instead only here something is there. So that people, so come on. Now I'm going to write it. Karthik. So Karthik, correct. Because we need to be girls and boys. I don't have any discrepancy. Of course, girls will be in my soft corner. That is my personal opinion. But anybody not answering, as Karthik said, that they are Madhubabulu only. 100%. That you know our regular style of saying that. So try to చదువుకోండి, read that. So go to this place. Here, మీరు internship అవన్నీ చూసుకోరా మీరు గూగుల్లో? Deloitte is offering internship. Now, this year is so good for IT. And of course, from now onwards, it is very good. Deloitte is offering internship. Freshers, so much of big drives are going on. నా దగ్గర రండి ఒకసారి చూపిస్తాను నేను. So in my, I don't know, I'm getting lot of things from, so I'm getting lot of things in my mobile. So CDAC vacancy, something like you are getting something like so many number of things. Like, machine learning. Next is machine learning opportunities, Python developers opportunities, ONGC green recruitment 2024, how to get internship firms. Then next is called how this, of course, it's going on coming news to me. Freelance data, remote jobs hiring in 2025. So a lot of things is going to come. When that many things are coming. Will you watch all those job notifications? No. Why? First మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉండలేమన్నా. In your brain something is there na, automatically you will be hungry. Where are the jobs and how to get it? Hmm? Right. Srikanth. In Telegram channels per day, thousands are coming, sir. That's good. So do something, students. Try to get a job and try to send a message to me, sir. I got a job, got an offer letter, like that. You send a message. I feel very happy for it. So say the message, path you say. This entire path I will take it. Try to make your parents to listen good news from you people. So I will write it. All these things like this. So here I said double slashes. Then there I am writing my file name. What is the file name of? Student marks dot data. Student marks dot data. So here I am writing it. Student marks, students, students marks dot what? Data from this file. Pause. Who is pointing to the file? If this file is not there, what is an exception comes? Hmm? Except what is that? File not found error. File not found error. What I will say there? Print of file does not exist. File does not exist. FP. Next, what should I do? FP. What should I do? Now I need to read the data from the file or not? Where is my FP is pointing to? Where is my FP is pointing to? Starting of the file or not? How do you find out? There is a function called a tell seek function. So by default, FP is pointing to 0th entry or not? How do you get it? తెలియదు. ఎందుకని మీరు మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తే పాపం అనిపిస్తుంది ఒకసారి, మళ్ళా ఒకటి ఇవ్వాలనిపిస్తుంది మళ్ళా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్ డేటా? ఫైల్ డేటా. File data. FP dot read. FP dot read will read complete data or not? And it is of which type? File data is which type? STR type. STR type. So here, when you go to this place, here 9 a.m. under files, reading the data from the file, here read this function reads the entire content of the file placed into LHS variable whose type is STR. చూడండి, భారత రాజ్యాంగంలో ఎట్లయితే ఉంటుందో, in our Python constitution also everything is there. Students, my botheration is, even if I give such a detailed notes, you people are not able to remember. That is my botheration. Not only you, total 75% of the students like that. చదువుకోరు, అది మెయిన్. రైట్? మార్నింగ్ 7 o'clock when I am coming in Necklace Road, 4 members, Happy New Year flags, that placards are there. నేను చూసి వాళ్ళని ఎంత అమాయకులు అనుకున్నాను నేను. స్పేసియస్ టైం, మార్నింగ్ 7 a.m. How much important time? They are going, 2 people are riding, 2 people standing on the back side of the bike and showing the cards. Even others don't know now. Others don't know. So, innocent people, students only, not normal, not even small school students, no. College, intermediate college, no. Maybe BTech is over. Fashion, umbrella cutting and beard. Total, all 4. Fashion ఒకటి మళ్ళా. Subject లేదు, fashion. Come. So, come to the point of it. File data. Execute it. So, going to this place, files here. This is, you try to run it. Go to the 9 a.m. Here I am going to take up regular expressions. Take this now. Out of that, execute it. Py. See this now, students. Got it. Total data getting or not? Which type it is? Come on. Yes. So Srikanth saying Hmm? Harshit saying, Earth made a rotation and people go crazy. Okay. Srikanth, even our constitution needs some changes, but KVR constitution doesn't need. Okay. Srikanth, thank you. So now I will go to, because KVR constitution, not my constitution, because I keep much data to you. That is my commitment towards you. Because otherwise you cannot prepare that notes now. That's why I'm giving. In the last part, I'll keep the total folders of mine in the two zip files I will give you. So you'll download that and keeping in your system, and keep that when you are entering in the industry. See that the total coding patterns as it is, they will come to you as it is. Data science, you are going to apply again NumPy pandas as it is. You will get it. Same formulas in your work in Amazon also. Same thing. Same thing. My student Shubham is my first Python batch student. He is a analyzer in the Amazon company. His pay is 3 lakhs per month. Now he want to attend again Python once he want to attend, because he is totally entered into NumPy pandas. That time I used to take only 10 days. Now I increased the content. For 60 days I used to explain. Again he want to. So he's saying, sir, I'm enjoying. Beauty. What is the beauty of it? NumPy pandas, if I show the formulas, total textbook is there in your brain. But మీరు చదువుకోవాలి కదా. Without reading, how can you? Come on, apply. Data is coming. Now apply. What concept you are applying? Apply the regular expression. Apply the regular expression. Apply the regular expression. Tell me, how do you apply? Yeah, Srikant, I understood, ma. I understood. Thank you for your appreciation. Apply the regular expression. Tell me, my file data is available in which type? STR type now. It is an STR type. Print of what? Type of what? File data. File data. You try to see that it is called what? STR only. So no issue. Got it. Next is called what? Apply. How do I apply? Names. Names list is equal to, come on, re dot find all of what? Come on. I will go to A to Z and what? A to Z plus, comma, what? Don't give space, ma. Like this, you don't give it. Why? Space also will be taken into consideration. Don't give space. You have to immediately terminate like this. And what is this data I'm writing? File data. File data. Next, I will take it what next? Marks list. Marks list is equal to re dot find all. Find all. And what is this now? Slash d r comma. What is this now? A d comma of what? 2. So comma, what is this now? File data. File data. Are you following me? File data. So because of that, what is happening? Names means names, because this file data is a ocean, ocean of data. From that, what you want to extract, you are extracting that only. And from there, it is going to be a normal. What is that normal process? This is normal. The main thing is, you know everything in this. Nothing is special today. Files you know, that files you know, that files I am using, regular expressions I am applying. Simple. So got it. Execute. See this data. Save this. Beautiful. What is this now? Names. What happens now? Names list. Names list. So I'll write it. Names here. Names here. Okay. Marks is as usual. Written. So save it. Execute it. Names I got it. I will add it. I'll go to my file. I will add it. And something like James got 33 marks. 33 marks. Execute it. James got what? 33 marks. So whatever the data you are adding, I will be getting such type of data. Are you following me? Easy or difficult? Suppose in my digital marketing, for example, suppose there is a big data is available, big text data, some data is available. In that, some people collected the data with names as well as mobile numbers. So somebody handed over it. I have 1,000 pages data is there in the Word document. What I will do, that Word document, I cannot appoint a manual person to read the phone numbers. I let a simple regular expression code with what? Find all slash D of what? 10. And that entire document data I will read from the file. I will get all my files. I will mobile numbers or not. So that I will use for what? Advertising purpose, promotion of my products and all those things. Getting my point? So like that, I'll be using it. Because this regular expression used in Django level, used in JavaScript, used in client validation, server side validation, in every moment you will use it. Okay now. Easy or difficult now? So what is there in this? I'm reading here. Here I'm writing it. How to open the file? Suppose if I write student marks one dot data, what is happening? File does not exist, you will get it. File does not exist, you will get it. So I hope that files are there, regular expression is applied, and I'm getting this. So, so Harshit, that's what mark. This data extraction is for general or similar to Hadoop, even big data concept. When you are using in big data Hadoop, you are using in data science level to handle big data. You are using this regular expressions wherever data validation is coming. You have to use what? Regular expressions. Common. Even you go to Java also, regular expression formula same. Syntax, Java language syntax will change. Language syntax will change, but formulas remain same only. Formulas remain same only. But what is different? Language syntax will be different. Okay now. So Harshit, it is going to be same. Only syntaxes will be changing. Next, write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract, which will extract, which will extract mail IDs, mail IDs, which will extract mail IDs of the people, which extract mail IDs of the people, where the data present in files, where the data present in files, where the data present in files, where the data present in files. Simple. Now I'm going to take up. So this is my file data, students. File data. Look at all of you. So there I'm going to take it, students. Now I'm going to take one more file. I'm going to take it. File, new, normal text, notepad, anything you can take it. Normal text. So I wrote it. What I'm writing now? Row sum, mail ID is, mail ID. Now I'm writing all mail ID is, mail ID is, row sum, row sum. I'm writing here. Row sum. I'm writing here. So row sum underscore Python at the rate psf.com. psf.com. Ghostling mail ID is something like ghostling, ghostling, something like, I'll write it, ghostling underscore one at the rate sun.com, sun.com, Sun Microsystem, sun.com. Richie mail ID is, Richie mail ID is something like, mail ID is Richie, RITCH, Richie underscore C at the rate bellabs dot co dot in. Anything, co dot in. Travis mail ID is, Travis mail ID is, mail ID is, mail ID is Travis underscore num at the rate numpy.org, numpy.org, org. Hunter, John Hunter. Mail ID is, mail ID, mail ID is, mail ID is something like hunter underscore matplotlib matplotlib.org. And the KVR mail ID is, now I'm giving my mail ID. KVR mail ID is kvr1 dot kvr1 dot python kvr1 dot python at the rate gmail.com. And James mail ID is is James underscore se at the rate ibm.com. So my mail ID to everybody is online students. My mail ID I'm giving to everybody. So I send my mail ID. So I'm writing that. So here I'm writing, and this is my file which contains lot of data. A very big data is available. Save it. So Srikant, you are giving 2 cards guarantee. Yes, guarantee card may be going out when the rain comes, but this guarantee card will not go. Why? Because you won't lose your mobile anytime. Because you will secure by yourself your mobile very well or not. So you have my things. So students, any doubt is there, you use my number, use my mail ID, and try to be good in the subject. So here I will save it, students. Go to this place. Here I am trying to save it. What is this, ma? I'll write it. Students mails. Students mails dot info. Students mails dot info directly within the double quotes. Save it. Now I want to write a Python code. So what is that? Program for come on. Program for extracting mails from where file where file contains file contains mail data, mail IDs data, mail IDs data. So come on here. Now I'm writing. What is that now? Students mail IDs, mail IDs. Example 1.py. So I will write it. Import what, students? RE. Tell me now. With open, I will write double quotes. I will write what? R. What is this now, students? I need to do. Come on. I need to tell absolute path or not. What is an absolute path of that? Go to this place. Here I will take up, students. Here I will write it. Here I am writing it. There I am writing. What is this now? Students mails dot what? Info. I wrote info. Double slashes. Double slashes. Here I wrote a double slashes. Here I wrote notes also double slash. So you need to write R. Tell me now. Mails data is equal to fp dot what? Read off. Print off what? Mails data off, like this. Now I'm going to write it. Students mails data. So I'll try to keep it, students. Try to save it here. Here I'm going to write it. Py. This is the one I got it. So what is this? R not present. Okay. R should be within the double quotes. So what is this now? No such folder. Okay. Students mails dot info. What is my file name? Choose the one. Sorry. Students mails. Students 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 mails dot info. Students mails dot info. What is the wrong? Huh? Students mails dot info. MAILS. Students STUDEN. Capital M. Capital S ఉంది కదా. So, okay, not an issue. No need to worry about it. So, I will use it. Maybe something. Regular expression, no, Eunice. I need to go for file name. So here I will go to something like sf.info. sf.info. Go to all files. No, regular expression I am not applying here. No need to. I am not explaining regular expression here. I am trying to go for file name saving. Folder name also saved it. I name regular expression notes. So go to this place. Here I am writing sf.info. Folder is same. Oh, it is going to be different. Regular expressions, that is. So I need to go for folder, correct. So I need to go for Eunice, correct. So regular expressions, you saved it, right? You saved in file, location is different. That is perfect. So path is different. Files, I specified files. Kani files kaadu kada adi. What is that? So I need to take regular expressions folder. I was saved into some folder. I are mentioning something else. So here, students mails. Students mails dot what? Info. Okay. So execute it. So you are getting that entire data here. From that data, I want to extract what? Mails. How do I get mails? Mails. Mails is equal to re dot find all of. I need to mention the regular expression there. And the next is called what? Mails data. Mails data. So I need to go for what? Here I need to write what? Regular expression I need to write. Go to your place once more. Go to this place once and observe it. So in this mail IDs, you observe it. Everything which is a common value called what? At the rate or not? At the rate I need to take. Left side of at the rate, right side of at the rate I need to decide. Come on. Under that some special symbol also there. Special symbols are also there. Under that some digits also will be there. Right or not? So for that, any kind of value without space. Without space. A to Z, okay, but you need to mention all the things. So instead of making complicated thing, easiest one and so powerful, slash capital S plus. What is the capital S? Small s means space character. Slash s means what? Non-space characters. All. How many? One or more. Yes, slash s plus. Here I will write what? Slash s plus. Ante. That's all. ఇది మీకు గుర్తులేదనుకో, you will get problem. If you remember, that is very simple. Things will become very simple. Are you following me? Right, done. So I will go to this place. Here I will mention it. Slash capital S plus at the rate slash capital S plus. I wrote it like this. So slash S plus at the rate slash S plus. So I will print mails. Print of what? Mails. I will execute it. See students, I am printing it. All mails are coming. All mails. What is happening? Syntax warning is coming. Slash say R over there. Execute it. I got all the mails. All the mails I got it. So how do you print the mails? So for mail in mails. For mail in mails. Print of what? Mail. Print of mail. Print of mail. So how do you go for it? All the mails are coming here. Are you following this? All the mails are coming now. So coming to the point of it, all the mails are coming now. At present, we are understanding this entire data now. Clear or not clear? Yes. So coming to the point back, here I'm going to take up Along with that, names kuda kavalanuntunnan. Names. I want the names to get it. Already you know how to get it. So let me show you that. Names I'm going to show you. Here I'm writing student names, mail IDs. So I'm going to get it. Here I'm going to get it. Any of mails you are getting, names related already you have written it. This I'm trying to get it in this place. Here I'm writing. Names also you are getting. Here I'm trying to write it. Name, name, comma, names, comma, mail IDs, comma. Tell me, zip of, what is this now? Names list. Names list I will write it. Comma, mails list, mails I will write it. Mails I will write it. Written. Now I want to print it. Of course, I want to print it something like this. Then full decorated output I want to print it. So here I would like to say like this. So there I'm going to write it. Names of students, mails of students. So there I'm going to write it. There I'm going to write it in this place. Here I'm going to write it. Print of what? Backslash T, backslash T, backslash T. I will write it one more. Dot format of what? Names plus, names plus. I will write it. Names comma what? Mail. Names comma mail I am going to write it. So here you are understanding this. Names comma what? Mail. So are you following me? Names comma mail in zip of names list comma mails. Are you following me? Right. So try to follow me now. Here I'm going to write it. Save this code. So I'm going to write it. Try to run this code. And anyhow, I need to write one exception also. Always keep in mind exception plus regular expression. You can understand the difference. When exception is coming, when file does not present. It is one type of validation that existence of the file is not there. That is an exception compulsory. Regular expression cannot do. Validation of the data, that is called extracting mail IDs, names without considering other things. That is called validation part. Are you following me? Right. File not found error. File not found error. File not found error. Print of what? File does not exist. File does not exist. Right. Execute py. See this data. What is this now? File data. Okay. So that I brought it now. Which data? Mails data. Is the mails data I got from the file or not? This is the one. Of course, same. So what is that now? Having, okay, two brackets are there, mom. One bracket only. So I need to go for what? Name of the student and mail of the student. Easy now. So names got it, mails got it. How beautiful program it is. Any big data is there, big text is there. You can easily get this data. Simple. Regular expressions is easy or difficult? 3 days back, what is regular expression? A regular expression which is a regular. Now regular expression is one of the search pattern which is used, which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and a special symbol, which is used to search or find or match in given data obtains desired result. See, total program is available in the definition only. అదే ఒక మొదటి టీచర్ ఏం చెప్తాడు రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇస్ రెగ్యులర్ స్టూడెంట్ పోయిండు అండ్ మొత్తం క్లాస్ వేస్ట్. దట్స్ వై టీచర్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ లైఫ్. You see any of the classes, no teacher will tell anything to the students. Why? ఎందుకు చెప్పరు? No teacher will tell to the student. No teacher will shout on student these days. Why? Teacher ke raadu first. You see in any class, teacher will not shout on students. Why? Ikkade problem first. Problem is at source only. A teacher who is having full command over the subject on students, if they do mistake, they will shout on them. They will directly attack on them. Correct or not? మీకు మిమ్మల్ని 1000 సార్లు ఏమనరు మిమ్మల్ని. ఎందుకని? యూ ఆర్ వాచింగ్ మొబైల్. ఓకే. లెట్ దెమ్ గో. బికాస్ దే పెయిడ్ ఫీస్ ఆల్రెడీనా. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. Then how students will come out? That was a system. Of course, nowadays, nobody will say. That was a system when I was in school days, which I used to see in ZPPHS schools. How teachers will explain in government schools that time. Powerful. These days, government schools, you go and see 2 students, 1 teacher. వాళ్ళకి ఏం రాదు ఫస్ట్. Even if they know something, they will forget because students are only 2. These people will not. And they will take all government holidays, extra holidays, that holidays, this holidays. So holiday for education. If I become CM, all holidays cancel. All holidays. If any holiday is coming, festival holiday, Sunday working day, compulsory. And exam to be conducted both for a teacher as well as student every year. Like that. So then the education will become good. So teachers think they may waste their time shouting on aged students. Pragnadeep, teachers think they may waste their time shouting on aged students. So I did not understand that word. So come to the point back. Are you following this? Now, coming to this is comes under regular expression topic. So this part, if you go to that place, here I am going to take up indexive C, and there is a sub is there in tomorrow class. Few more examples I'll tell you about sub, and some more examples on this area I will go for it. And a sub example also I'll tell you. First tomorrow, some more examples I'll show you. Next I will introduce a small concept which I would like to tell you of the concept called what you know. Actually, that concept is there. When I am taking Django, there is a concept called what you know. Logging concept is there. Logging. Of course, I want to tell you, you are learning Django because you are a part of full stack Python. In Python also, there is a, I want to tell you that Django, actually browser level only logging concept will be coming. There is an actual reality of the subject. So a small concept I want to tell you about logging concept also I want to tell you in Python. Logging concept also I want to tell you. Nothing is there. There is a module called what? Logging. Logging is a module. In that there is some concept is there that will take 1 day. So tomorrow I will take the class. And a day after tomorrow also I will take the class. On 2nd, our class will be completed. Janaganamana song I will play. Everybody has to sing a Janaganamana song. So Harshit. So coming to, Yunus, will you be attending today's night's party? Never. I never go. See, students. See, even though my colleagues and my friends and they will celebrate party, they will celebrate different party, and I never attend such parties. A lot of people who are having my circle, all of them will celebrate. Not only New Year celebration, they will celebrate. So I never go and sit with them. Normally in functions and all, but what they do that, so I never. And what you people are thinking, 31st night means they will do a lot of drinking, that, this, etc. Especially boys. And if you take me, even in student time also, and directly I'm telling in the class, and a lot of people are having habit also. They have alcohol habit is there. Of course, if anything wrong, you can correct me. What I have observed, having habit, right or not? Habit are there or not? Your friends and all, you keep it aside. Okay, you are good boy. You good boy or not good boy, your heart it says. So my things, if you take it, because I know me, I'm saying to you, I never even touch my first finger in the what you are thinking about that alcohol, even the thing beer also. Whenever I put my first finger in that, even I did not put my finger all. And while my BTech is over, B over, the friends which are there in the class, they went to some bar. They also called me. So I said no. So just come and sit with us. No. They forcefully taken me and they made them to sat along with them. And they offered 7 up for me. 7 up. I'm still remembering. They said, put your first finger. I never see that also, I said. No, so put your finger. No. So that much sincere you must be. Of course, I know you are sincere, but doing that is wrong activity, not good. So it is my advice, students. So that is because hmm, Jonas, you paid money. Why not go then? So this is for youth to enjoy. I give money just for contribution. Okay, youth want to enjoy, let them go to it. So now, Pragnadip, that's correct. So new year is on April 14. So Telugu New Year is completely different because every uh, country, every state will have their own New Year. Indian New Years are different. Anyhow, students, let us, Karthik, definitely there, definitely there. Even I watched it 3 4 days back, night 8 o'clock when I'm going, when one girl sitting backside of another girl, they are sharing cigarette, but black cigarette, not white. Boys are just using white cigarette, and they are using black cigarette, and a very thin that is. I don't know. Maybe it is imported or not. I don't know. I've seen white cigarette, black cigarette. I have seen with a girl only. They are sharing. Both of them are sharing. Friends. Okay. Anyhow, students, you know all those things except subject. You know everything. So, huh? Okay. So, okay, students. Tomorrow, don't miss it. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll come. Actually, today I want to complete it, but let it be. You also want to come to New Year, come to the class. Still, my new batch is not going to start immediately because Pongal holidays is coming. That's why relaxly I'm trying to complete everything. There is no hurry at all. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, with the second, my batch will be over. Day after tomorrow, my batch will be over. Okay, try to read well. So I'll stop my class. We'll meet on tomorrow. Right? Thank you. Tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow class is there. 100% class is there. So what you have to do in the year? New year. Suppose if you feel New Year, it's not New Year. I don't feel anything, and you don't celebrate night at 12 o'clock like that. If you feel that it is a New Year, when your time is going to be like this, what people are shouting on their own. At this time, what you do is open your Python notes, read the Python notes because you are doing one good thing in the new year. First activity is what? Reading. And if you feel that you are a new year, start like this. Correct? Hmm. Choose ఏంటి అట్లా చూస్తారా? Open the Python notes and then read the notes and execute the Python program. Definitely some students will do. Girls చేస్తారు నాకు తెలుసు వీళ్ళందరూ చేస్తారు. I know. Boys also will do. చేయరా? Okay, మీ ఇష్టం అది. You girls will do. I know. Some girls will do. I know. Here only most of the girls will do. I know. So definitely some girls will do. Hmm. So Pragnadeep, good. So we should get up early and practice coding rigorously. That's nice. Like that. So you know what is good and bad, students. Nothing. I'm not denying that you don't know good and bad. You know, but you know what is good and bad. So you know. So one thing I want to ask you finally. Well, I may ask final first in further or not. So I want to find out from everybody, all the students, you need to answer it. So I'm shouting on you sometimes, Modhu Babulu, like that, waste, like that. Will you feel negative? Boys, offline, girls and boys. Huh? Beginning, you felt negative, right? Beginning. Later, you understand my mindset, right? Boys in the online, will you feel negative, my dear students? Pragnadeep, good. So, because I'm asking some survey purpose. So, right, mom. So, Rubicon, as you said, see, Rubicon is asking, as you yesterday, you are going to share your phone number to program. Would you please do that? Already shared or not? Already shared or not shared? Already shared. Rubicon, I don't know. Maybe entered now or not, I don't know. Already done that. Already done that. Rubicon, I already said. So, my dear students, Karthik, Mudhu is a good name. Okay. So, it is encouraged to us to correct our mistakes. Good students. This is what my students will understand me. If anybody, because you know what efforts I'm keeping to explain you in the class. So, you carry this, and I hope you are happy with my teaching. Happy? Right. So, even if I say anything, you don't feel because I'm telling to your purpose only. So, only my botheration is you have to read well. That is my thing. That's all. So, I'll stop my class. Tomorrow, don't miss it. Even I will take it. Some more, sub example, something. I'll start some small thing called what? Something like logging. I will introduce. It's very small concept. But in web, you will come across actually. In web world, you will come across that topic. Any of students? So tomorrow class, I'll go for a continuation. Something extra topic I will introduce. Thank you. All the best. Online students, you hold on. Of course, time is already over. Tomorrow class, don't miss it. Time is almost over, students. Tomorrow class, we'll meet. No more doubt session today. Right, students.